Welcome. If you're tired of Telegram locking itself automatically and interrupting your chats, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off auto lock on Telegram using the latest updated method. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top corner of your screen and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This will open up the side menu where all your main options are located. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can control everything related to your account, privacy, and security. Now, scroll a bit until you find Passcode Lock. Tap on it, and if you have a passcode set, you'll need to enter it to continue. Once you're inside the Passcode Lock settings, look for the option labeled Auto Lock and tap on it. This setting controls how long Telegram waits before locking itself automatically. You'll now see several time options. To completely turn off auto lock, simply select Disabled. As soon as you tap it, the change will be applied instantly. And that's it. Telegram will no longer lock itself automatically, giving you uninterrupted access to your chats whenever you open the app. Just keep in mind that disabling auto lock means anyone with access to your phone can open Telegram, so make sure your device itself is secure. If this helped you, feel free to check out more quick tips like this to make your apps work exactly the way you want.